My mouth hygiene routine. I start off with flossing my teeth properly and smell the floss after I flossed my back teeth. If the floss smells, I take a new floss and do it again, until the floss doesn't smell anything when I pull it out. I have very narrow space between the back teeth, so that is why I smell the floss after flossing there, as food and bacteria easily get trapped around the tight-spaced molars. After I finished brushing my teeth, I brush my tongue with my toothbrush and toothpaste. I don't use a tongue scraper. I think it is way more effective and cleaner to use the brush and toothpaste and brush away the toothpaste with water afterwards. Not everyone realizes that not brushing your tongue and flossing can give you bad breath. If you have narrow gaps between the teeth like me, then you most likely have bad breath if you don't floss. Use dental tape instead of floss, if the gaps are really narrow. When you smell the floss after you pull it out, especially after flossing between the back teeth, then you know what your breath smells like without flossing. Also, lick the inside of your wrist and smell it when it dries. That's how your tongue smells if you don't brush it, and it will most likely have a coating on it too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped someone with these tips.